Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to send disappearing images on iPhone using Telegram. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged in. Search for a contact by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top. Tap on the profile picture of the contact you want to start a secret chat with. A menu will appear. Select More. In the options that appear, select Start Secret Chat, and a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap on Start to confirm your decision. Once in the secret chat, you'll notice a timer icon at the top of the chat window. Tap on it and choose how long the message should last, like 5 seconds, 1 minute, or 1 hour. After that, tap the attachment icon and select the image from your gallery or take a new one and send it. And the image will disappear from both you and your contact's chat after the time period you selected runs out. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.